Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I will be showing off this new Monster High brush. It's from Hot Topic. It's super cute. I believe it's a Hot Topic exclusive because I haven't seen it like posted on any other places besides like, secondhand sellers, eBay and such with this brush. I just know it's sold by Hot Topic and that's where I found it. The tag says it's $22.90 for the price. So yeah, it says Monster High hairbrush, perfect for all hair types, could be used in wet and dry hair, gently detangles and soft bristles. And so that's super cool. I'm really excited for this because as you Monster High fans know, it's literally like a replica of the brushes the dolls have, like the Generation 1 specifically, and it's just so cute. And yeah, like this here, I have one. Yeah, you can see all my Monster High merch. I just tried to keep it on theme. But yeah, I have this Monster High brush. You can see it's literally the Skullete with the Monster High logo on the handle, and that's literally what we have here. But it's this beautiful pink metallic, and it is just gorgeous. I love it. So yeah, that's super cute. Like, I just could not resist it. 22 is a bit expensive, but when I got it, it was like a sale deal thing, like Hot Topic always does. And so yeah, I was able to like get this and a few other items, get it half off. So yeah, this was a super cool find as a huge Monster High fan. And so yeah, I'm really excited to have it and open it. So yeah, it says 2023 Mattel, like just produced this year. I forget if the new Monster Highs come with a Skullete brush, but yeah, I'll just get into opening it. So yeah, I just love Monster High. As you can see, my outfit today is very Dracula themed. Like, of course, well, I guess just the classic Monster High is always like pink and black themed. So that's what I was going for, but definitely with my pink hair pigtails, I'm giving Dracula, so. But yeah, Dracula is an icon. Like, I definitely see why she's one of the most hyped Monster High girls. Like, her being a pink vampire and everything about her aesthetic is like gorgeous. And so yeah, ooh, here we go. I just love that it's like metallic. That's really gorgeous. Ooh, because yeah, they used to always come in all different, like there was like metallic ones, like more like beady marble looking ones I swore. Like, just different materials used. There was just like, yeah, like ones more just straight plastic looking. Yeah. And so I'm just gonna unravel that back. But yeah, as you can see on the back here, it's super cute, like that little just bristle, just a little circle, because it's a pretty small surface for the Skullete here, as you can see, so they can't really put a big brush or anything. But yeah, it is packaged pretty nice. It is really cute. This was a Christmas gift to myself, and you can see it in my Christmas haul if you haven't watched that. And so yeah, here we go. Oh my gosh, wow, this is like such a nice size for like holding it. Oh, that is really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm literally a Monster High doll, like totally complete with this. That is amazing. So here it is. Wow. Oh. So here's the back, little bristle brush. It's neon pink, really cute. The Skullete. Monster High literally looks just like the brush. That is so fun and cute. So yeah, really fun, really cute. Yeah, as you can see, this is just gorgeous, like this metallic pink. Definitely way prettier than this like neon pink. So yeah, I really love this. The size of it, this size is like 9.5 inches, like looking on my roller. Yeah, like 9 to 10 inches, super cute. I just love like the size, like it just fits like the hand perfectly. It's just really cool size. Like it's not too huge, it's not too small. This is really nice. And yeah, I definitely don't regret it because I love having tons of brushes. I go through brushes a lot, like I use them a ton. and I'm just constantly brushing my hair. And so yeah, I just am really excited to have this. This is just really cute, and you know, you kind of don't even want to use it a ton. Like, it's just such a Monster High like merch prop. Like, I might even put it up with my dolls, you know, like this is just really, really cute, really, really nice. So yeah, this is at Hot Topics. I feel like it was released more like a bit longer ago, like, you know, like when the new Monster High dolls were released. But yeah, it's still a Hot Topic. I was able to snag one. Definitely recommend it for you guys to snag it yourselves. And yeah, I just hope you guys really enjoyed the little just review product haul I did. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new Monster High brush, what you think of the new Monster High dolls. And yeah, if you've got to this long, let me know your favorite Monster High character down below. Mine is Claudine, even though I'm all Draculaura. Like, I love them. And Claudine just like shaped me. But yeah, I'm just a pink girly for life. So Draculaura, I totally understand you, and she's such a queen. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Have a great one. See you in the next video.